Most Americans know that our healthcare system doesn't work very well. To finally get a healthcare system that we really need, we need to talk about the values that we want that system to embrace. So what are those values? Conservatives value personal choice and efficiency most, while progressives value coverage and affordability. Our values are different, and that's led to a lot of disagreement over the last few years. But what if we could reform the healthcare system so it recognized all these values? AEI brought in top health economists from around the country to answer one simple question. If we could design a healthcare system from scratch, what would we build and why? The plan would make healthcare fairer, more affordable, and more efficient. It would stop entry-level employees from having to subsidize their wealthy boss's insurance. It would improve care for the poor by covering private insurance, not Medicaid. And it would provide a no-cost plan for all Americans, guaranteeing universal coverage. And it lets insurers recognize that our needs are different, and our health plans should be too. That's more efficient, and it gives Americans more and better choices. This plan covers all Americans equally. It protects the poor and the sick, and it allows the private sector to control costs and price for risk. This plan makes everyone think about what they really value in healthcare. It forces opponents of the Affordable Care Act to offer substantive notions of replacing the plan, not simply repealing it. It also forces supporters of Obamacare to recognize that the law does fall short in a lot of areas, and in that we can't fix it. We also need to think about how our values play out into how it shapes public policy. Are conservatives and libertarians against helping low and working class income Americans purchase health care insurance? If so, or if not, why? Or for progressives, how free should the private sector be to design and provide policies? These are the types of questions we hope to spark. We want to foster a richer and fuller debate about American health care. In doing so, we hope to force people on the left and the right to articulate and defend their values.